at this. Finally shoveled. We didn't even shovel at all because it's just too much. Shoveled about 6 times last night, twice this morning. Like, when I say ridiculous, look at the pile of snow on the side of the driveway. That's Pop Duke's clearing off his car up the street. This shit is ridiculous. Look at it, like buried. Look at the size of that. Houses in the neighborhood are buried. Buried. Look at this, man. It's just stupid. Definitely the worst blizzard since '78. And it's probably right up there with it. Can't even see Tay's snowman anymore she built. You can see it a little bit, but let's see. There it is. Hold on. There it is. That's Tay's snowman this year. You can see the piles of snow are way bigger than a snowman. And it's just crazy. I mean, they're taller than us. We got at least 3 feet over here where I live. They're saying 20-something inches, but it's definitely more like 30. No question about it. Talk about a winter blizzard. My back is officially broken. And today's a day of relaxation now. Heading indoors. Wind's picking up. Oh, it's cold. Alright, everybody, be safe out there. This shit is crazy.